Masaru Emoto was a Japanese author, researcher and entrepreneur, who claimed that human consciousness has an effect on the molecular structure of water. Emoto's conjecture evolved over the years, and his early work explored his belief that water could react to positive thoughts and words, and that polluted water could be cleaned through prayer and positive visualization. Emoto's work is widely considered to be pseudoscience. Since 1999, Emoto published several volumes of a work entitled Messages from Water, which contain photographs of ice crystals and their accompanying experiments. Emoto's ideas appeared in the movie What the Bleep Do We Know? Biography: Emoto was born in Yokohama, Japan, and graduated from Yokohama Municipal University after taking courses in international relations. In the mid-1990s, he began studying water in more detail. Emoto was President Emeritus of the International Water for Life Foundation, a non-profit organization based in Oklahoma City in the United States. Emoto became a Doctor of Alternative Medicine at the Open International University for Alternative Medicine in India in 1992. Ideas: Emoto believed that water was a blueprint for our reality, and that emotional energies and vibrations could change the physical structure of water. Emoto's water crystal experiments consisted of exposing water in glasses to different words, pictures or music, and then freezing and examining the aesthetic properties of the resulting crystals with microscopic photography. Emoto made the claim that water exposed to positive speech and thoughts would result in visually pleasing crystals being formed when that water was frozen, and that negative intention would yield ugly frozen crystal formations. This phenomenon was not published in any peer-reviewed scientific journal, and the best quality study Emoto published on the effects of human intention on the structure of water did not yield positive results. Emoto claimed that different water sources would produce different crystalline structures when frozen. For example, he claimed that a water sample from a mountain stream when frozen would show structures of beautifully shaped geometric design, but those structures would be distorted and randomly formed if the sample were taken from a polluted water source. Emoto believed that these changes could be eliminated by exposing water to ultraviolet light or certain electromagnetic waves. Scientific criticism: commentators have criticized Emoto for insufficient experimental controls and for not sharing enough details of his approach with the scientific community. William A. Tiller, another researcher featured in the documentary What the Bleep Do We Know?, states that Emoto's experiments fall short of proof, since they do not control for other factors in the supercooling of water. In addition, Emoto has been criticized for designing his experiments in ways that leave them prone to manipulation or human error influencing the findings. Biochemist and director of microscopy at University College Cork William Revel wrote, "It is very unlikely that there is any reality behind Emoto's claims." Revel noted the lack of scientific publication and pointed out that anyone who could demonstrate such a phenomenon would become immediately famous and probably wealthy. Writing about Emoto's ideas in the Skeptical Inquirer, physician Harriet A. Hall concluded that it was hard to see how anyone could mistake it for science. Commenting on Emoto's ideas about clearing water polluted by algae, biologist Tyler Vogt stated, "What he is saying has nothing to do with science as I know it." Stephen Kesling wrote in Spirituality and Health magazine, "Perhaps Emoto is an evangelist who values the message of his images more than the particulars of science." Nevertheless, this spiritual teacher might focus his future practice less on gratitude and more on honesty. Emoto was personally invited to take the $1 million paranormal challenge by James Randi in 2003, and would have received $1 million if he had been able to reproduce the experiment under test conditions agreed to by both parties. He did not participate. Literary reception: Emoto's book The Hidden Messages of Water was a New York Times bestseller. Commenting on the book making the list, literary critic Dwight Garner wrote in the New York Times Book Review that it was one of those head-scratchers that made him question the sanity of the reading public, describing the book as spectacularly eccentric. Publishers Weekly described Emoto's later work The Shape of Love as mostly incoherent and unsatisfying. Publications Books E-degree AA Pamela registered trademark a 1/4 EUR ACOIA. E degree. A registered trademark. C micron. E unregistered trademark. Paragraph. Unregistered trademark. KUA, Messages from Water 1. Tokyo, Hado 1999. ISBN 9784939,098,000. English edition, The Message from Water. The Message from Water is telling us to take a look at ourselves. 1. Hado 2000. ISBN 9784939,098,000. E degree. AA Pamela registered trademark. A 1/4 euro. I 1/4 Shea Oya I 1/4 I 1/4 E degree. A registered trademark. E degree Celsius micron. C micron. E unregistered trademark. Paragraph. Unregistered trademark. Kuwashi, Gamma. E degree. Aged Hormoya W. The Messages from Water 2. Tokyo, Hado 2001. ISBN 9784939,098,048. English edition, The Message from Water 2. Hado 2001. ISBN 9784939,098,048. E degree. Aloya 1/4 AA. A registered trademark. AA. Tokyo, Tokuma Show 10. 2003. ISBN 9784198617509. English edition, The Shape of Love, Discovering Who We Are, Where We Came From, and Where We Are Going. New York, Doubleday. 2007. ISBN 9780385518376. Love Thyself, The Message from Water 3. Carlsbad, California, Hay House. 2004. ISBN 9781401908997. E degree. AA Zeta to the first. E registered trademark. Shisia 1/2 area. ECSH. A florin. E florin. AA epsilon per mil micron. E euro. C copyright. E6 CSH. E florin 1/2 E. Taibuxi and Xindianchi 2006. ISBN 9789576864971. English edition, The Miracle of Water. New York, Hillsborough, Oregon, Atria Beyond Words. 2007. ISBN 9781582701622. Water Crystal Healing, Music and Images to Restore Your Well-Being. New York, Hillsborough, Oregon, Atria Beyond Words. 2006. ISBN 9781582701561. Papers Radin, D. Hesson, G. A Euro. Kaizu, T. Double-blind test of the effects of distant intention on water crystal formation. Explore 2, 408 Euro 11 doi, 10.1016/J Explore. 2006.06.004. Radin, D. Lund, N. A Euro. Kaizu, T. Effects of distant intention on water crystal formation, A triple-blind replication, Journal of Scientific Exploration 22, 481 Euro 93. See also, Water Memory, Polywater, Pentawater, Water. References. Further reading, Greenberg, Gary. Theory Euro unregistered trademark S. No evidence water can understand human speech. The Maui News. Iraq. Your Friday Dose of Woo, H2OM. Science blogs. External links, official website, water crystals whatthebleep.com. Webpage about Emoto at the website for the movie, What the Bleep Do We Know? Masaru Emoto at the Internet Movie Database, H2O.com, water-related pseudoscience, fantasy and quakerychem1.com. Stephen Lower. Welcome page. The Open International University for Alternative Medicines. Kathalam, Nagapattinam District, Tamil Nadu, India. Retrieved January 17, 2015.